So I'm going to show you how to create this effect in Canva. So once you are in your Canva, go to element and type whatever shape or fruit, or it could be anything you want to design. Or if you don't want to use the ones on the element, you can upload your own image right here. Alright, so I will type element, I will click on element, and then I want to search for plantain. This, so there are so many plantains here. Okay, so look for the one that is suitable for you and select it. Okay, let me go with this one. So I will just leave it the way it is. Then I will go to apps, your left hand side, click on apps, then click on the search bar and search Typecraft. So this is the Typecraft here. You click on it. So in this text box, go ahead and type the name of whatever you want to design. So I'll just type plantain. Something like that, and then I'll come down to font and choose a suitable font of your choice. Any font you want, you can choose. So let me go with this, and then I'll click here to go back. Then I'll come down, just move up here and select the color to white. Make the color white, and then go down. You have to make this plantain to follow the shape of this plantain as our image. So you have to use these buttons here to shape it. So you just click and hold and drag, and you have something like this. So you have to be very sensitive when you are doing it. Something like this, and then you click on add element to design down here. So it has been added here, so you just have to make it to be comfortable with the shape. So come back to this place and then just be looking at what I'm doing. Something like this. So you update the element. So it's gradually coming up. So these are places you need to make them go down to the extreme end of this banana. So you see, come back and drag this again. Then update element. Okay. Very good. So once you are comfortable with this, now you go ahead and duplicate this page by clicking on the main background to duplicate. So duplicate this page, and you're going to have something like this. So go ahead. So now that we've duplicated this particular page, go ahead and click on the banana and delete it. Then go back to element and import import this shape right here and then make it big. Something like this, and then give it a black color. Then click on it and click on layer and then send it to back. Then you are going to have something like this. So just as it is like this, go ahead and download it. Click on share, click on download, and make sure you are downloading the second page. So click on this drop down arrow and then come down and select page 2. Click on done and then download it. So it has been downloaded. So this particular one that you've downloaded into your computer system, upload it into your upload this same thing you downloaded into your computer back into your computer or into your Canva interface. So I'll click and add it to this page. Very good. So I'll go back to the first design. Remember that we duplicated this. I'm going back to the first one just like this. So I will click on plantain and remove the background. Then I will delete this plantain here and then bring in the one I imported. So I'll take it up here and then enlarge it. Something like this. So go to edit, click on edit, so click on edit, click on remove background and then go down to this button here and click on it and then choose this gel and then make this highlight white background. Give it the white color on the highlight. Then go back to shadow and make it white as well. So now that you are here or you are done with this, just hold this particular place and drag it to something like this. I hope you can see the design coming alive. Come back to this side, your right hand side, and drag it again like this. And just like that, we are done making this particular effect. So if you like what I'm doing, kindly encourage me by subscribing to my channel, sharing this video so that more people can see it. So you can go ahead and go back to element and search for shadow. So let us add a shadow to this. So let me go with this and bring it down here. But just in case you want to download it, just go over to share, click on download and click on this and select only the first page. Click done, then download it, and that's all. I will see you in my next video.